Okay, wait. Guess how heavy a cloud is. Just guess.
A cloud? I don't know, like nothing? It's just air.
No. It weighs like 100 elephants.
Wait, what? 100 elephants? Up there?
Yes, literally. Welcome to English Pod Center. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas, and I am very confused right now.
Today we are, talking about the weather.
Because, everyone talks about the weather, right?
It is the number one small talk thing everywhere.
Yeah. Hello, nice day. Yes, very hot. So boring.
Exactly. It's super boring. But, weather is actually crazy.
Okay, so explain the elephant cloud thing, please.
Right. So clouds are just water, very small drops of water.
Okay, just water, I get that.
But there is a lot of water. Billions of drops.
Oh, wow, so they all together are super heavy?
Yes, but the drops are so small, they float.
They float, like a balloon.
Yes, exactly like a balloon.
Huh, okay, so why does it rain then? Do the elephants fall?
No falling elephants. Good, because that would, hurt a lot. Right. So think of the sky like a big sponge.
A sponge, like for washing dishes?
Yes, exactly. A big wet sponge.
Okay, I see the sponge.
When the sponge gets too much water, what happens?
It drips. The water comes out.
Yes! Boom! That is rain. The cloud is a full sponge.
Oh, now I get it. The sponge is full, so it rains.
Exactly. It's super simple, but so cool.
Okay, that makes sense. But wait, what about storms? Like big, scary storms?
Ah, yes. Thunder and lightning.
Yeah, boom, flash. Why does that happen?
Okay, imagine you are wearing socks. Just socks.
Okay, socks. I am wearing socks right now, actually.
Perfect. Now rub your feet on a carpet.
Like really fast, scuffing my feet?
Yes, really fast. And then you touch a door.
Ouch, you get a shock, a little zap.
Right, a zap. That little zap is lightning.
Wait, seriously? The sky is wearing socks?
No, but the clouds rub together, like socks on a carpet.
Oh, the clouds hit each other.
Yes, they rub, and then zap, lightning.
Wow, that is actually really cool.
And thunder, the loud noise.
Yeah? Is that the clouds saying ouch?
That is funny. No, thunder is just the sound of the zap.
Just the sound. Okay, wait, so light is first, then sound.
Light is very fast, faster than sound. Oh, right. I see the flash. Then I hear the boom. Exactly. You can even count the seconds. 1, 2, 3, boom. Yes. If you count to 3, the storm is close. That is scary. I don't like storms. I run inside. Me too. I hide under my blanket.
So we have rain, we have lightning. What about wind? I hate wind.
Oh, wind is easy. It's just hot air and cold air fighting.
Fighting? Like punching each other?
No, Lucas, not punching, pushing. Hot air pushes cold air.
Pushing. Oh, I see. So when it is super windy,
Yeah,
that means they are pushing very hard?
exactly. Big push means big wind.
Wow. So what about tornadoes, the spinning ones?
Oh, tornadoes. They're like angry dancing.
Angry dancing? Like a bad party?
Yes, hot air and cold air spin very fast, like a top.
A top? Oh, the toy. You spin it.
Right, very fast, very dangerous.
Geez, I definitely hide under my blanket for that.
Same. But hey, let's talk about good weather.
Oh, please, yes, good weather. Sun.
Sunny weather is the best, but do you know what makes clouds?
Magic?
No, Lucas, not magic. It is water.
Water? But clouds are in the sky. Water is on the ground.
Exactly. The sun gets hot, the water gets hot, it goes up.
Wait, water goes up? Like a ghost?
Yes, it is invisible water. It flies up to the sky.
Invisible water. Wow. And then what?
It gets cold up there, and it makes a cloud.
Oh, now I get it. So clouds are just cold flying water.
Yes, like flying soup.
Flying soup. That is so funny, Luna.
But it is true. And when the cloud is too heavy,
It falls down as rain.
bingo. You are very smart today, Lucas.
Thank you, thank you. I try.
So let's do a quick practice for our listeners.
Okay, a test. I like tests.
Listeners, look outside right now. What do you see?
Yeah, look out the window.
Is it sunny? Is the water going up?
Or is it raining? Is the cloud heavy?
Tell us. Write it down. Say it out loud.
I look outside and I see sun.
Very good. Practice saying it is sunny today.
It is sunny today. It is easy.
See? Learning weather words is fun.
Yeah, and wait, what about snow? We forgot snow.
Oh, snow. Okay, quick explanation. Snow is just very, very cold rain.
Cold rain? Like ice?
Yes, the flying soup freezes.
The flying soup from before.
Exactly. It gets so cold it turns to white fluff.
White fluff, like a pillow. I love snow.
Me too. You can make a snowman.
But no snow today, just sun.
Maybe next time. We have a question for you all.
Oh, a challenge?
Yes. What is your favorite weather and why?
Good question. Mine is sunny because I can play outside.
Let us know in the comments. We want to read them.
Yeah, type your favorite weather below.
And if you like learning with us,
Hit the subscribe button right now.
please subscribe to English Pod Center for more fun lessons.
See you next time, weather friends. Bye.